Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, let us see how to apply for Teradata. At first, you need to open our website www.livejobsinfo.com. It will be redirected to our website. Then you need to click on internships. Then you will find this job. It is actually internship. So you can just apply this internship. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get daily job notifications. And please support me. It gives me a lot of motivation for me. So I request you to please subscribe. And now let us see the complete details of the Teradata. So Teradata is hiring for technical support specialist. Teradata is hiring for a technical support specialist internship. It was posted on November 18, 2021. Now let us see the organization complete details. Teradata Corporation is an American software company that provides database and analytics related software products and services. The company was formed in 1979 in Brentwood, California as a collaboration between researchers at Caltech and Citibank's Advanced Technology Group. To get daily job notifications, I request you to please join in any of these groups. Location is Hyderabad. Experience needed is freshers. Any of the freshers can apply for this internship. The job description is like the Teradata based support team is a 24/7 high volume global support center. Along with incident management, we provide technical functional knowledge necessary to resolve customers' problems, both internal and external. So it is something like a customer support role. So you need to work in shifts. What you will do is now, like the complete job description is like, as a technical support specialist intern for Teradata's base support team, you will provide hardware and software first level technical support within the Teradata customer services TCS department of the Teradata division. This position requires 24/7 availability and willingness to work in shifts. As we discussed earlier, you need to work in shifts. That is what they mean. You will perform troubleshooting activities, escalate problems to the appropriate parties, identify solutions, and communicate the solutions to the customer. You will develop and maintain a working knowledge of current hardware, software, firmware, processes, and tools. You are required to have both strong and technical and interpersonal skills. Now let us see the key responsibilities. They are like accept and respond to incoming calls, incidents, and emails. It is something like a customer support role. You need to interact with the customers using emails, through emails, and you need to pick the calls, and the incidents needs to be escalated to the higher level like supervisor. Apply search tools to identify previously developed solutions and recognize patterns and symptoms. Research problems and analyze issues. Identify and share known solutions from knowledge base. Help end user implement solutions, track, monitor, and maintain incident progress. The basic qualifications includes clear understanding of contractual policies and development, using verbal and written communication skills to prepare and deliver presentations when required. Strong oral and written skills are needed. Excellent interpersonal skills are needed. Strong facilitation and team skills are needed. Perform simple to complex analysis with the use of a personal computer. Flexibility in a multi-managed working environment. You need to work within the team. Associate's degree in computer science or an electronics technology discipline. Conceptual understanding of Intel-based computer hardware architectures are needed. So preferred qualifications could be like a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or an electronics technology discipline over 7.0 GPA percentile is needed for this job. And advanced knowledge of Linux, SQL, Windows, mainframe operating systems, knowledge on host software, MVS, VM, etc. Disk array architecture, networking concepts, and topology. Knowledge on AWS, Azure, Google Cloud is an advantage. Teradata database experience is and certification is a plus. You can apply for this job. You need to have a certifications. Like, it is not compulsory. However, you can just go through Google and know how to have this certification. And as I mentioned that you need to have an advanced knowledge of Linux, right? Through SQL, since they are expecting the candidates from fresher background, you need to have some basic knowledge also. It could be enough, but you should have a very good communication skills since it is a customer service role. So that is my suggestion. So I request you to please improve those communication skills. And in order to apply, just click on this official link. It will be redirected to the website. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I request you to please do that so that you will get daily job notifications. Teradata, it will be redirected to the Teradata website. You will come to know the complete details here, whatever we have mentioned just now. So I request you to just click on this apply now. If you want to apply now, you can just click on. If not, you can just save it for later. Then you need to just sign in using, you can use any of this. If you have a LinkedIn account, use this sign in using LinkedIn. So I request you to just create this create account. You need to fill first name, last name, email, username, password, and confirm password. Both the passwords and the confirm password should be same. Then just click on this and just tick mark this, I'm not robo. Once you fill all these mandatory details, it will be redirected to the next steps. I request you to please go through the complete details and apply. Before applying, just go through the complete details. Visit our website so that you will get a good idea. And I request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll be providing a link to apply for this Teradata. You can visit directly to the www.livejobsinfo.com, or else just apply through the link whichever I have just provided in the YouTube description. So I request you to please go through that. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a